पाकिस्तान जीते।
Glenn and Habib to come out for Bangladesh.
Irfan Khan, his choices would have been Ahmed Danial, who bowled a brilliant last over, 2 for 11 off his 4 the entire spell, and Sufyan Mukim, 3 for 11. So he has gone for the safe option, which is a go pace. Habibur Rahman Sohan.
जी बिल्कुल ब्रदर।
6 of 16 with 3 boundaries and a couple of sixers. He's been joined by Abdul Ghaffar Saklain, who remain unbeaten, 16 of 12 deliveries with 2 sixes. Ahmed Danial was excellent with the ball and the bat in the semi-final. Continues his good work with 4 overs, 11 runs, 2 wickets, and he will continue to bowl the super over. The field, the short third man, short cover point, short fine leg, short extra cover, in deep, sweeper cover, long off, long on, deep mid and deep square leg. Here we go, super over time. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Danial. Just a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saklain back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You've been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
Gone are the days, Salman, but when we used to play, you get out, early shower, no more, because in white ball cricket, super over is on. You got to be switched on.
I think when I was playing, there was a super over, so it's taken me like a decade back.
Salman is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial back pedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
He is a wonderful athlete. He just bowled it, the hard length, the extra effort ball, giving less time to Saklain, who tried to go big, understandably, and didn't get any timing. And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saklain. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saklain departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.
सब भाई यार दुआ करें पाकिस्तान जीते यार। सब भाई मिल के दुआ करें यार।
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side. Azigori.
Oh shit yaar.
That's not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift.
यार ये
That's
क्या
a
हो
gift
गया?
from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure.
shit.
That's pressure, Salman.
No need to change, not at all.
Oh, yaar,
There's a
बहुत
fresh
अच्छा
batter
हुआ।
coming in who wasn't expecting to bat.
यार
and
कहाँ
let's go
पाकिस्तान
back
जीत रहा
in
था
time.
यार।
And now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Azigori, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Danial. Right throughout in the death overs in the tournament, he's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right-hander. But he has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the 2nd time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled, 7 to get for Pakistan.
Yeah, 3 balls to go. Bangladesh are done. Both their wickets are gone. Jishan Alam must have thought that He should have played that for a single. Maybe Bangladesh should bat those first over. That 6 balls. 6 already on the board. Bangladesh are done.
Danger man just faced one delivery. That was the downfall for Bangladesh. Abubur Rahman got a single from the first ball. Yet to watch agonizing from the non-strikers, and both his partners been dismissed for some excellent deliveries by Ahmed Danial. Into the super over in the first semi-final. Team batting second at that time. Bangladesh won pretty easily. Now Pakistani, when they come out to bat, they've got to make 7 runs with 2 wickets in hand. Same question for you, Maza. Who's your choice for the super over?
Ripon Mondal. Just to provide some hope to the Bangladeshi fans as well.
इतनी देर यार गोल में प्ले
out
करते हैं सब भाई, गोल लगा हुआ
India
है यार।
A without even scoring a run in the super
सब
over.
भाई उतनी देर गोल में
There's
प्ले
still a
करते हैं
hope.
जो भाई कर सकते।
For Pakistan, Shaheen Salman. Have a look at here replay again. Seeing the straight one, and Ahmed Danial, what a player he is. He's inching towards, in my opinion, even for the man of the series, the way he has performed. Just on Pakistan, Shaheen, maybe a right-hand, left-hand combination.
Yes, I wouldn't mind that. Mahas Sadakat would be the choice.
यार डबल
And,
डबल
maybe
टैप
Saad
लाइव
Masood,
शेयर
the guy who
गोल
scored
में जो भाई
38
प्ले
not
कर
out and
सकता है
looked
करते
good.
हैं।
Because you need to find somebody with some confidence from his fresh knock, and that is the person.
Yeah, I'll probably go with Mahas Sadakat and Saad
सब
Masood.
भाई
Just on
मिलके यार।
flow, yeah, they've scored runs on the day.
Yeah,
सब भाई मिलके
it'll be a good
डबल टैप लाइव शेयर
test
करें।
between bat and ball. David Hemp, with all his experience, mentioning the fact that to keep them calm. Ripon Mondal, I'm sure he must be the ball in his hand. Bangladesh A can still dream.
Millions watching this coverage. Bangladesh, Ripon Mondal did the unthinkable against India A. Dismissed Jitesh Sharma and Ashutosh Sharma in the super over. Millions were watching in Dhaka, Chattogram, Khulna, Borisal. All these places, Maza, they be glued to the TVs.
So the news is just Mahas Sadakat and Saad Masood both gonna come out, and Irfan Khan Niazi, the skipper, has padded up as the 3rd player.
Yeah, left and right hand combination, not a bad call. It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think it's a very good choice. 2 players have scored runs on the day, left hand, right hand combination. Could never ask better. And I'm with you, Maza, when you said Ripon Mondal, he should be the one. He's the match winner from semi-final, has the confidence. Bowled well today as well, 25 for 3 of his 4 overs. Definitely he should be the one.
Saad Masood will be up against someone like Ripon Mondal, who bowls those Yorkers to perfection. They need 7 to win. Ripon Mondal will be eyeing those block hole right from the word go.
Interestingly, Saad Masood is going to take strike. Right-hand batter. Mahas Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over, chasing 7 runs and isn't facing.
Ripon Mondal. Can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent. Certainly the find of the season for Bangladesh. Very good attitude, good action, good run-up. And here's an opportunity for Ripon to make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal. What a leg by.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot deliveries might put the Pakistani batters under some sort of pressure.
Dot balls and preferably a wicket. That is what Bangladesh would be looking for. And for Pakistan, they need to know it's just 1 hit away.
Indoor reverse swing was tailing back in to the right hander, which will go away from the left-handed Mahas Sadakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to speedy stroke, Direct it would have had him. It was excellent cricket. That was excellent by Ripon Mandal. Off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end.
How good Ripon has been. On the target, under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Great control, must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Full toss. Finding the circus. That's a dangerous line to bowl. And Saad Masood, the good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. And Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Ball back from the ring. Look at him. Look at
सुफियान
the dressing
मुकीम
room
पहले ही
enjoying.
चला
They
गया
know
था
they require
अपनी
one now.
सेशन का.
And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim, it was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. And under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan says they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stump. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens win.
पाकिस्तान जीत गया यार.